Hello, my name is Damian Devaney and I'm the Head of IT here at the Open College Network London. We're an awarding organisation and registered charity serving colleges and education providers across the UK. We've been around for about 40 years and we register over 40,000 learners a year. We have a small finance team. Invoicing is quite complicated. We have learners switching courses and doing additional units. Prior to AccountsIQ, they were using Sun systems. It was clunky, out of date, and most annoying for me as head of IT is it relied on on-premises servers. We looked at Sage, Bluecube, QuickBooks, Xero. There didn't seem to be anything between really basic, which wasn't going to work for us, and just wildly expensive. So when I discovered AccountsIQ, it just seemed to hit the sweet spot for a medium-sized enterprise like us. Setting the system up was made very easy, and the system itself is so intuitive, the team just took to it. And the whole thing was done at a very reasonable price that was agreed beforehand, no unexpected costs. The Power BI connection is fantastic. Real-time data feeds, ready-made queries which you can customize. So we can publish up-to-date financials on our intranet. It drives our KPI visuals for the board. It's the main way we share information internally. AccountsIQ has fully customizable invoice templates. We have an integration with our learner management system. That's made invoicing 10 times easier than it used to be. AccountsIQ actually cost us less than we used to pay for the licensing support and server costs on the old system. So we're getting way more for less. From the wider team, I've heard comments like data at your fingertips, and it's made us so much more transparent as an organisation. From an IT point of view, I notice I'm not being asked to fix things because everything just works. And because it works, the team can focus on more strategic, forward-looking things like budgeting and forecasting.